Day 2 of force fetch with River. Good boy. Here, sit down. Sit, please. Sit. Good. Sit. Good. Second day of hold. Third session overall. Good boy. Pay attention. Hold. 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 Good. Hold. Hold. Drop. Good. Sit. Sit. Hold. 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 Drop. Good. Sit. Sit. Hold. 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 No. Hold. 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 Drop. Good. Sit. You sit. Sit down. Sit. Good dog. Good boy. Sit. You're gonna yawn. Yep, we gotta hold. So I like to pull his lips out of the way so his teeth aren't pinching his lips. Hold. Hold. What's nice about River here is I don't have to chain him up. He's not wiggling around. So I don't have to pin his head to the post like most dogs will. Hold. 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 Got my other dog Radar here, sitting at my feet as a distraction. Hold. Ah. Hold. Hold. Again, this is his third session of hold. Second day. Hold. Drop. Very good. Very good. Sit. Sit. Hold. 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 Drop. Stay. This is a very hard bumper. Very hard. Hold. Hold. Good boy. Hold. Probably shouldn't have given him a good boy there, but he was holding it so nice. Hold. 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 That's my other dog whining. Hold. Third session of hold. Drop. Good boy. Sit. Sit. I'm going to put my 2 fingers in his mouth. Hold. 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 Good. Hold. Hold. What a good job. That is a really good job, Riv. Yeah, that was a really good job. So proud of you. Hey, proud of you. Good boy. For your 3rd session of hold on your 2nd day. Very good. Oh, handsome dog. All right, good boy.